Welcome all, this is Dan Spice Media YouTube channel. I want to believe that you are okay. I want to show you how to unlock this phone of Lipa Mdogo Mdogo, that is Mkopa phone, in as much as it is directed and governed by Mkopa. This is my Mkopa account, and if you can look well, you can see I have a loan balance of 12,143. This means I am late on making payments. I have not been making payment for around like 203 days. That is almost, if you can see, it is almost a half a year. Yes, you can see I have made a payment of 13,756, and I have overdue days of 203 days. I have missed to pay 12,143. This means that if I have been paying already, I would have completed making my payments of 25,899. But since then, I knew that I can unlock my phone, and I have not been making any payment, and I have been using my phone in the right way. If you can see, I'm trying to make a payment, and I will try to unlock it without having paid or without adding any number of usage days. You can see the last time that I made my successful payment was 14th January 2024, and I was just trying to see whether my account was active by then, and I found it was really active and it was working. Therefore, that is when I realized that this method works very well, and I can continue using my phone freely at a freestyle and at my own pace. You can see I had tried to pay on 18th May, that is I think last week, but it said insufficient funds. We shall see it later. It works at 100%. This is how I've been paying from when I took this phone, and you can see the last time that I paid was January 1st, 14th. Therefore, this is thing that it is going to work if you follow very keenly. If you follow what I'm going to show you, you are going to make it. You can see I'm trying to make a payment. You can see I'm trying to make a payment on this my Mkopa, and let us see that whether it will work. I'm going to input 60, yeah, 60 in the tab of amount. Then I'm going to put my number of which I'm going to pay with it. There is it, and then I'm going to confirm. Shall prompt me to put my PIN, and I will input my PIN. Yeah, that is it, and then I wait, and you can see, let us see for a pop-up message, a reply from M-Pesa, and you can see it has failed to pay because I have no enough money in my account. Then I'll try to unlock my phone. Let me go back to home and then unlock. I'm waiting to unlock. You see, it is done, but I've made no payment. But if you can see, my Mkopa is there, and my phone is working in fully conditions. I can access all apps. Yeah, but before then, I want you to have some applications like Lucky Pacha. We are going to use Lucky Pacha. Therefore, before I start showing you how to unlock, first of all, download the Lucky Pacha downloader and install the Lucky Pacha itself. You can see it here. So I'm opening it. Yes, and because I don't want to leave anyone behind, I want you to give an assignment before I upload the next video. Just try to download the Lucky Pacha and interact with it fully. Know how to patch some apps, or maybe I can upload a video to show how you can interact with the Lucky Pacha. I'm going to upload it very soon, very soon. This is my Lucky Pacha. I'm trying to find a soft lock where it is, and I can find it right here. So I can patch it in any way, because soft lock is an app that contains injected codes which gives permissions, licenses and signatures in software engineering. Therefore, we are going to change these permissions, licenses, signatures and all dependencies, and we are going to direct it to Lucky Patcher. Get in touch in the next video upload. Goodbye.